Hi everyone, today I would like to share with you a Sony Walkman with a HiMD and a HiMD player and recorder with a linear PCM recording. So this model is MZ-RH1. The basic difference between the MD player, MiniDisc player and HiMD player is that HiMD player can play HiMD discs, which had a capacity of 1 gigabyte, where you can store up to 34 hours of music on it. In 2006 that was something new, and the disk size is the same. For example, this is the disk, but this is normal MD mini disk, and the normal mini disk only you can record up till 90 minutes of music, and 15 to 19 songs depend upon the duration of each track. So this is a normal MD. The HiMD size same, but it has a very compressed data recording capacity. So this HiMD player can play that disc, and also the normal conventional this mini disc also it can play. So this is from 2006, and it's the high-end model, and it's very sleek and beautiful. Also, if you can see, you have here stop and pause button, and if you can see here, you have the volume up and down, and here is the display menu. Basically this is the display. This whole thing is display. When I turn it on, you will see, and here you see the button which is in the red. If you press it like that, then it start recording. And for play, this is the button. You press, it's play. You press up, it goes the next track. Forward, press down, it goes to the reverse. So that's how the buttons are. And on this side you have line out with the headphone jack, and if you have the original jack, then the headphone has a sort of remote control into it. You can play fast forward, control the volume and all those things. This is a microphone in, plug-in power, and this is the line in optional. You can also put the line in if you wanted to record some music on the MD. You can use that one. And this is to push to open, and that's how it eject. It has a disc inside. You can see it's a normal MD, and you can just put it. You see the white dot should be on this side. Put it inside, and then you just press it and stop. So basically, and here you have a mini USB connector, and the same you can plug in power also and recharge the battery. It has a battery NIMH battery inside, and this is for holding or taking out the battery, and you can see the battery here. That is the battery, but due to the age, battery is not keeping any charge, so it can be replaced. Usually they are available on eBay, around $60 to $80 battery, rechargeable 3.7 voltage NIMH battery for this model can be purchased from there. So then it can charge, and you can be listening music while walking or doing the sports, whatever. So that was something high end in 2006 and 2000. So after the MD, which was also invention of Sony, they even create the HiMD, and there are several models only HiMD. They are a collector's item, highly desirable. People collect them nowadays, and this one is in good condition. So I'll plug it now to play some music and to see the functionality in order to connect, because this usually supports a headphone, if you can see it, but I'll connect my Bose sounding speakers over there, and with the auxiliary in, and then it goes to the headphone out jack, and then we connect the power through the USB, because battery is not charging anymore. We can use the battery, and then afterwards it starts. Now you can see the screen. I don't know, yeah, now you'll be able to see the screen. Volume. We go back further tracks and we go behind reverse. Let's play the track number 1. So volume control here, also the menu for display. When you press it, then you see different recording date, for example. If there is data, and you see this is nice display. If you can look, What a nice display. And then if you press more, you have like this display also. Maybe I turn off the light, then you can see. These are all display modes. My favorite is this one. You see left and right channel also. You see the time, the track number also, and then you see time also. And up here stop, and if you press play, and play again, and this is pause and play, and down reverse, and up is forward, and this if I press it would record. I don't want it to record on this original disc of Nirvana, so I don't want to spoil it. Sound quality is amazing, and the headphone is even better. I usually listen on the headphones from the Dr. Bree, and it sounds very good. Other trick.
Today from my friends are in my head. I'm so ugly, that's okay, 'cause so are you. Book on is Sunday morning is every day for all I care. And I'm not scared, light my candles in our days, 'cause I found God.
I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.